hope you all are well. First, I would like to ask you a simple question before starting my video. Answer my question about what your heart really feels. Is it possible to live alone in your life? How do you feel about that? Is it possible or not? What does your heart say in response to this question? Sometimes you would say, yes, I can live my life alone. It may be right as you think now, but think about your past. Did you come to the situation today without getting anyone's help? As you watch this video now, you may be a middle-aged person or an adult with many life experiences. Day by day our lives go by without feeling too much. Often our lives get worse day by day and we rarely get good days. That is the truth. Life gets complicated. As time goes on, many experiences add to our lives. As we grow older, as we gain experience, a time will come when we will realize the good and the bad we have done throughout our life. But living does not mean that we do our daily routines like eat, sleep, study, enjoy or whatever we are doing till the death of our life. No matter what you say, I mean we can't live life alone. It is important. Relationships are needed to move life forward. We can't live alone. See, when we were born, from then on, mom and dad took care of us until we were mature. After mom and dad have a relationship, brothers and sisters start a relationship. We share since the first moment of our lives with our brothers and sisters. Brotherly love is the most important thing in everyone's life. When we get a little older and start life, friends come into our lives. Mostly, our childhood best friends will be with us for the rest of our lives. Only then do we encounter another important milestone in our lives. That is marriage. We spend more than half of our lives with our wives or husband. Some may think that mothers, fathers, brothers and sisters are the only ones who are involved in our lives. Think for a moment who was involved from the beginning of our lives. Everyone we meet in this world has value. Shopkeeper when we go to the store, barber when we go to the hairdresser, when we got on the bus, the driver, the conductor, when we were in school, teachers, principal, students. Who are these people? Can we live without these people since our birth times? Imagine if street cleaners went on strike. What will happen to the environment of the street or cities? No need to say anything else. What happens if there is a public bus or train strike? No need to explain. You know what will happen after that. Life is not something that can be lived like a king. Some people think that they do not need anyone. Due to that reason, those people think that if they get help from others, they will have to help them back. So, due to that, for whatever reason, they don't take any help or a penny from anyone for what they need in their life. Not everyone we meet in life is the same. We must understand that we will meet many types of people as good or bad people. We need to understand those people because there are people in this world who show a good face and come after us and stab us, as well as those who are really close to us. If we want to improve or succeed in our lives, we must be humble enough to listen to the advice of an experienced person. It is not good to think that we do not need advice from anyone and that we can do everything on our own without accepting or listening to their advice. Like I said before, no one cares about a man trying to live alone. So he or she is automatically excluded from society. From the day we started our lives, there are plenty of people who can tell us the good and the bad. We can learn the good and the bad from our parents and brothers, sisters, whom we meet every day until we become strangers. When an experienced person gives us advice, we must politely accept it without throwing it away. We need to be flexible, must be humble. Parents have a great responsibility in this regard. Get used to sharing with children from an early age, so that do not let the child go to the society because the child is a bad child. Society today is hard to believe, but let your child clash with other children. Only then will the child learn to live. A person who lives in isolation does not harm society, but suffers mentally until he dies. Such people live in isolation and are considered useless to society. So, learn the good and bad bringing your child into society from an early age. Or would have built a hypocritical society that lives alone, ducked in the world and cursing the world. And how can a person who cannot share with another get married and start a family? Our future is the family cooperation, the foundation of the future. So do not let the foundation of the future be shaken. We live in a very short time. It is good thing to remember that his life alone is not enough to be selfish. Share what you have. Do not live without the help of others just because you may think you will have to help them back because you got something from them. We are not perfect, so listen to what others have to say. Understand who they are and live with everyone. Then we will not be alone, that we have no people to share with. We have a beautiful tomorrow. So the facts I pointed out must have been clear. Rather than living life alone, we will be able to enjoy every day if we can work together in friendly and cooperative manner with everyone we meet. So think about whether you can live alone or not. What is the best way you can choose to live? With some relationships or alone? Think about that. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell button and select all to activate notifications to receive new videos. And click the thumb up button if you like this video and share this video. I would like to know your thoughts about this video content. So write your thoughts or ideas in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I wish you a good future with the happiness of your life.